Good day everyone, welcome. Want to start tapping your phone to pay using Cash App? In this quick tutorial, I'll tell you how to set it up and pay on your phone. So firstly, you need to check device compatibility to use Tap to Pay with Cash App. So firstly guys, you need a Cash App card, physical or digital. Your phone must support NFC. Most modern iPhones and Androids do. After that, add cash to your digital wallet. So for that, on iPhone, you open the Cash App, tap the Cash Card icon, tap Add to Apple Wallet, and follow the prompts to add it to Apple Pay. For Android, you just open Google Wallet, then tap Add a Card, choose Cash App Card. After that, guys, you can hold your phone near any NFC-enabled terminal, authenticate with Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode, wait for the vibration or beep, and that's it. And that's pretty much it. Now you're all set to tap and pay with your phone using Cash App. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fast tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.